Yeah. Blessed be the name of the Most High. Jah Rastafari, you know, see it. Give thanks and praise to each and every one. I hope you have a blessed and nice day going through, you know, see it. And everything carpasicate and nice and lovely and blessed from the mighty one, you know, see it. Yeah, man. Now, I give a sketch now, you want to name Vex or Upset, you know, see it. You see, when a man upset, sometimes it take you out for many different things. Sometimes it take you up on food, eat whole heap of food. Take you up on money, spend whole heap of money. Take you up on words, cuss whole heap of words and go on bad and thing, you know, see it. So, you know, I give a sketch to you. Upset, you know, see it, from the mighty chief, you know, see it. So when I come, I give you have to pick sense out of nonsense, you know. So me do my sketch. So I Rastafari, so blessed be all each and every one. Because you know, calm out there, you know, to find it, you know, see it. So here I put my sketch, you know, pick sense out of nonsense, you know, so they don't get vexed, you know, see it. Back in the days, when man a grow natty, everyone come down on top of them, you know, see it, and cuss them out and call them all kind of name. So man get very upset, you know. Very, very, very vexed. That's it. Cause the owner kick you out of all the house and thing and the wifeys. The house will steal and thing. You have to steal out the door and thing. So man run into the woods, you know. And start burn up everything, you know. Burn fire upon everything, cause, you know. Very upset and very vexed. To them a treat them, you know, see it. And we are just a human being, just a growing attitude, you know. And everything, call him Babylon, turn down upon we and cuss we out, 38 boy, madman, put all kind of name upon it. Can't live in the house, never want to feed and thing. So when Rastaman go up in the house, Rastaman is very upsetting and burn up fire upon everything, you know. Burn Babylon, burn all the Pope, burn everything, you know, see, because we're very upset. Sometimes we burn all family too. Too we upset, you know, see it. So the Rastaman up there and light up in fire and burn up everything, you know. And you hear like a boom boom. So when this Rastaman I say burn all clothes and the next one say hold down the man. Listen to this. I hear boom boom. I say what? I say I hear. I say you hear that? I say I hear nothing, you know. Boom boom. And man very, very, very vexing and burn up everything, you know. If you light the whole planet on fire, you know. And you hear boom boom. And the next Rastaman say, pass me a stick. Give me a 2 piece of stick there. So you give a 2 piece of stick and lick pan the bamboo, you know, because I'm building look out. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. And one way in attack, you know. And cuss out, you know. Burn up everything, because we're very upset, because, you know, them fling me out of society and you hear, boom, boom. The next one, boom, boom. All of a sudden, you calm down a little bit, you know. Boom, boom. Everyone calm down and listen. Boom, 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 boom. And I look upon the thing and I hear, and one come in and take a leaf, a branch off a bamboo and I shake. You hear the tree blow, you know. And I listen and just calm down and I want to say, Jah! Rastafari. That's it. He said, Jah! I and I. And he said, Jah! I and I. I hear the sound, boom. And he say, I want to put a word tonight, you know. Babylon a fi fall. Rastaman a fi stand tall. And him, you know, so he get the karma to him, all him vexing in him system, you know. Just put a karma, you know. And the karma within, you know. Beat, heart beat, you know. Just a beat. Boom, boom. And he just calming down and then put words to it and from go on with that and go on with that. All the Rastafari, them come together, you know, in the hills, you know, instead of burn out this and burn out that, you know. Now they might put words together with sound. You see it? Because they get the calm of to calm them down. and build them own tradition. Like say we are going to build our own lifestyle now. Cause all that vexation, all this rough sea we stir up in a way, and if you wash out and burn up everything, just calm down. Boom, boom, it just calm down. So now we know we got that karma. And we in the hills. So we have to build our own society. So this when time Rastaman a build up in no dandaga. Build up in words, song, a whole lot of song. A whole lot of words we put in song. Because we get the gift of Jah is a sound. So you see, to talk to Jah, you have to talk to him in sound. To give back Jah something, you have to give him back a good sound. So the words, like the food would full up the belly of the Most High, is a good sound. Good word sound. So you see, when I see all them man that have sacrificed and say them a give that for John, that for that, and that for that, we know say that a lie, you know, see it. And we learn that after when we are go stir up sea and get the karma inside our system. So when time we beat our drum and chant lyrics, now we learn how to we have to heat in the car. Man have to survive. So man have to tum tuku tum tum putu tum tum tutu tum tum. The nature start connect, you know. The man start plant him grown and start heat. A man start speech different way. So man in the hills and the knowledge we get, so we are going to fulfill it up, you know. To make we know we are going to put our, you know, like our congregation together. Because we don't want to say too much words where say that, you know, because, you know, you have to pick sense out of nonsense in my thing. But I'm not going to really put my thing like straight so, now, sir. Because, you know, see, one time some man said them a read Bible and written straight and now they all know they can't get it right and they're confused. Straight thing, you know, see? A man make nothing became something. That's what Rasta man do. Make nothing became something. Off a sound of calmness and find out our inner strength. But before the prophecy fi fulfill, some Rasta man get bored, you know, see it. Say them are going a town. Some Rasta man miss them people, you know, see it, and say them are go look for this now. And them said one bonfire and this, you know, but you see the loving and calmness down, then things start pop up in the head, you know, see it, like some misting and something, and go down with them long Natia man, see man, Babylon, see man start. Wonder what go on, you know, see it. It come like some story thing from long time, and man, Judas thing, you know, see, some man start, if you understand where they are, and start mess up the thing, you know, see it. And before the thing fulfill the thing, Babylon mess up the thing, you know, see it. So Rasta man have to flee this and but as I say, karma, we already got that in our system. I don't vex still, you know, but we just put it out upon sound. So when time the map was drawing, for we understand what the frame was made for, so we can connect with nature and thing. Babylon, them certain people come in and mess up the thing. So the map never fulfilled. So we don't know the end, which way to turn. So you see, you have enough man turn this away, enough man turn that away, enough man said this, enough man said that. Because the message was never fulfilled. You know, see it? So every man know say, we got the heartbeat. So anyway, the Rasta man, them there, you have a heartbeat, a go on and some fire. Because when the fire burn, you have a little thing off of fire, you know. The remedy, you know, like, When it a blaze, be a like a popping sound, you know. So that are the call it the remedy, the harmony in the thing, you know, you see it. So we always have that, but to fulfill the fullness of the calmness and get the gift, the fullness of the gift. Boring come in like some man and Babylon come raise the scene, you know, see it? Mash up the whole thing. So now, when the rest of man, this one, enough of them start go back in a certain things with enough in on it. Enough man say, boy, I'm not really do this to murder. Stay this one calm and vanish within the flesh, you know, see it. Vanish within the frame, you know, see it. Shape him take on, you know, see it. Now cut off, nothing. So you see it? So when a Rasta man get vexed, the bonfire now rather chant, because we get it in our system to chant. But the leading on the map never fulfill. So you see, when we in the hills, you know, and we get all this knowledge, we say we have to give it a name, you know, see, the one who give it the come have to give a name. So we can call it a name, you know, see it. Because we say Rastafari, we say, Jah, I and I. And I. So we learn about a name now, we say, Rastafari. But you see, if a man look upon, love chip out and chip in, and if a man look upon reality and see all these idol where I say Rasta man come from that idol and come from this idol. You see, Rasta man take things. A man we say Selassie will never die. Selassie no die. We say Selassie will never die. And a man never listen sometimes when a man. We never say the frame nah die, you know. We say Selassie, that's a name, you know. Will never die. We say Selassie will never die. So Selassie name still a call all over the world. Still a call. Selassie! Sound alive to me. I don't know how it sound to you, but it sound alive to me. So we always take things, cause we get kicked out, you know, we build our own things, you know. It come like we get material to complete a building, complete a whole congregation. So we take piece off of this and piece off of that to finish the puzzle. But if you look upon the image of all we take pieces from, tell me how much of them have a natty touch them back. How much of them know if you play a drum, pam, 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 plum. See, we get our things from the Most High. And we just take pieces to name it so people can recognize it. But trust me, Rastafari knowledge was given when he chased out and was very upset and a burn any amount of fire. But any amount of sitting, anybody touch him, burn him in the hills and a plant and a heat in little ground and get the heartbeat and grow him natty dreadlocks and no say, oh, Jah, Rastafari always in sight. No, the journey is going on. And upset is still around. Vexation is popping up. Killing all kind of diseases is stir up the water. And Rastafari sit down on his throne and know it's time now to gather together to fight against this evil clown that come in and system to kill us all out. We know our journey was when we in the hills and them checks say we are going to die and we fight out that and Jah take us up in our hand. And now in this generation of time, I say we need a congregation of one, a temple, so we can come together to make Jah rise and all Eden fall or scatter. You know, see, cause the land is calling out for peace, and the frame is disobeyed call and appear war and all kind of agony. The hurt is vexed and fire is blazing. So who gonna calm it down? Who got the powers to calm the land down if it get out of control? Who was out of control once and get the calmer? So who gonna calm the land down when they get out of control? I say, bless up all Rastafari. Bless up each and every one. Bless up black, bless up white, bless up everyone. I hope you're in a system connected together. I know we are one. And it's time now to get together to save our home. Rastafari forever. The mighty chief gone.